is on. Welcome in, welcome guys, welcome into my life. Welcome Christine. Hello. It's buffering. Uh, I don't know why. I'm not so sure why it is buffering. It's still buffering. Not so sure why. It's okay now. Okay, great. Share the live, share the live. Let us chat a little. Share the live. Let us chat a bit. Welcome in, Christine. Share the live. Share the live. How you doing, Christine? How are you? How are you doing? How is things going? Are you at work? Where are you? Are you at a stay home? Are you work from home? I'm still on my mini vacation. Blessings, blessings nation, welcome in. Still on my mini vacation, so I decided to just chat a bit. Yes, still on my mini vacation. I love when I'm in vacation in Jamaica. Wow, you get so much to see and so much to do in your own country. Normally when I'm on vacation, I'm all over the place away from home. But this time, I took a mini vacation, mini meaning a week. And so let me just chill home. And it has been quite well. It has been good. I've been to places. I've enjoyed food. I've spent more time with my family. Yes, and I get to reminisce on some things. Yeah, so it's good sometimes to take a few days and just chill home, stay in your own country and just explore and enjoy it. There's so much things to see. I've been to Portland and there are so many things in Portland to see, so many places to go. Wow. Wow, just wow. I didn't even realize that there was so many good things or so many attraction in Port Antonio that you can go and just chill, just view the place, just drive around. You don't even have to stay, you just drive around. There are so many beaches, man, and there are good beaches for you to go. So I'm encouraging you all to take a few days and just chill, just relax, just drive around and enjoy your country. It's so beautiful. When I was going to Portland from St. Thomas, St. Thomas is beautiful also, except for the road. That's where I'm based most of the vacation time. But when I was going into Port Antonio, man, the beautiful beaches on the road is so nice. I'm telling you, it's so nice. The views, everything is so good. I'm blessed and highly favored, my God, and so are you. I watch your video by the sea. Yes, Jamaican in all her breathtaking splendor. Thanks for sharing. Your videos are always good. Thank you so much, Christine. That's what I try to do. I try to bring out some good videos, original videos, my videos, right? No copyright video, just my personal experience and my cooking whatever it is I do, I try to share. Yeah, so the Jamaica is beautiful. We don't need anything else in a lot of videos. Yes, I realized the comment when the live went off. Yes, I'm gonna try put some videos together. I am so confused. I have so many clips. I'm confused right now. You know, when you have so many things can post and you're not sure which one to post, how to put them together, to edit them and stuff like that. It's gonna take me a little while, but yeah. I have one and two, and because I go live some of the places. Well, one place I didn't have much video for that place. I just put up the live video on my channel. Authentic, yes, 100% me. Nobody content but my content. I might mention a name, a few celebrities' name, like I will mention Auntie Donna, because you know it's our peeps that, but hi, Rose Kitchen and Vlog. Welcome into my live. Yes, thanks for joining. I'm just here chilling and still on a few days vacation. So I'm just enjoying the moment, basking in the relaxation, basking in everything, so that when I return to work, I am rejuvenated, you know. It's so nice, you know. Every time when I get vacation, see me, oh, I'm off to this, I'm going on a plane, Florida, USA, whatever. But this time I decided that it's good to just know your country, you know. There are so many places to go in Jamaica. I can't cover them, but I mean, little by little, if you take one and two, thank you, Rose, one and two vacation here and there, and go to different places, you will eventually cover a few, and you will know about your Highland Jamaica more. Yeah, you will know about the island Jamaica more. It's a beautiful island. You have, because I've only been to Port Antonio and St. Thomas over this trip, and Port Antonio alone, so beautiful, so nice, so much things there to see, so many beaches, so many beautiful places in Portland. It's amazing. Always hear people say Portland is the best parish or the most beautiful. Not to say with food and stuff. I know St. Anne and those St. Elizabeth, you know, you get your food from those parishes, but the beauty, the scenery, the scenery is there, and when your parish have nice beach fronts, it makes your parish look good. Because St. Thomas look nice. When you're passing like the beach area and you look on the blue sea and see how calm and beautiful the mountains over the sea looks, wow, that's breathtaking. Yeah, so those things, you know, every parishes have their own nice things and have their own unique style and stuff like that. So yes, I'm just glad I went on the Port Antonio journey. You're respected, appreciated, and loved. I always enjoy your comments on Pastor Coburn's live broadcast in the mornings when I get you know, I don't get the chance to listen to that because sometimes it's too much things to do, too much things to listen, and getting ready for work. Sometimes I have to just say, you know, I can't do all of them. I can't do all the lives, you know. Sometimes sometimes the lives are so much. I'm overwhelmed. I'm already overwhelmed with Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, because I have a prayer that normally goes on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I have Latoya that goes Wednesdays and Friday, and I won't miss them. Sometimes I have two devices up because the two of them most are important. The nice singing gospel and the beautiful prayer from my other pastor friend. So it's a lot. It's a lot of things, you know, to listen to in the mornings. But I try my best to um to listen to a few. Then Shauna comments them all over, man. Always so nice and refreshing indeed. You can't miss them. And some of them are all caps, so you cannot miss them. Yeah. Hey Sean, what's up? Hope you're feeling better now. Every time I hear that you're ill. I had a flu a couple days before vacation, yes, and I took care of it and it went. That flu is not, I didn't really get it that bad, I just, maybe because I took the flu shot and stuff, but I didn't get it that bad. But it was a virus, so I stayed away from work. Let me say, when you have a flu-like symptoms, make sure you stay away from work. 5 a.m. No, sir, that time I'm not wake yet. 5 a.m. I don't wake yet. Too early. 95% better. Oh, I pray that you'll be 100 soon. Yeah, because can't ramp with these things. But I don't know, it's said it's that early. I mean, not gonna wake up so early, man. So most of the time when persons tag me in it, it's already done then. Because sometimes I saw the tags. When I go on it, I see that it's the church, but I don't really join. Oh, it's the flu you had that long. Yeah, I heard. I know it is bad. I had it, but as I said before, it wasn't severe like what some persons have, sore throat and those things. I have like a little coughing. I have maybe a little diarrhea. I believe is the flu cause it, and I was stuffy, and I think mostly it's because of my sinusitis. I was really stuffy, so and then it goes in like by the week. I have it like the Monday, and by the end of the week, it's all gone. Yeah, it's terrible. It's really terrible. But you have to still, sometimes you have to remember, they say even though the sea is relaxed, you still need to protect yourself. I'm pain. I'm still coughing and chest cold. Oh no. What you taking? Yes, Nishan, go do some exercise and sweat out that flu. That flu needs to go, man. Hurry up and sweat it out. What you taking? Because that's all like long. That's all like maybe over 2 weeks now. It should have been gone by now. Or maybe you catch it in its entire glory. Maybe you catch it in its entirety. Oh no. I'm so sorry to hear, but as Neshawana says, sweat it out, man. Drink some, get some Sibble orange. You know what I'm Sibble? You remember a Sibble orange? Sibble orange honey. Warm it and use honey and sweeten it and drink it. And what I took for my flu too, I did turmeric, ginger, garlic, and what else? Something else. And that's it. I drink it maybe most mornings and sometime in the evenings. Because I was saying I was going to doctor, and I take some pharmacola and flu. That is good too. I was saying that I was going to the doctor, and the person said, "No, sir, sometimes the home remedy is better. Just get that and sweeten with a little honey, and then you're good to go." Exactly. The doctor something this on work. And that somebody say it don't make sense. Me go. You better me take drink the turmeric, garlic, and ginger. And I think you can squeeze some lime or lemon in there and drink it regularly. That's what I did. And mine never lasts 1 week. Never lasted 1 week. hmm So we have to protect ourselves, even though they say, hear there, hear there, things are going. Hear that, nation? Huh? Praying for a speedy recovery. Yeah, yeah. I have to pray for a speedy recovery for nation. For nation. I'm gonna say, what am I not gonna say now about the flu? Yeah, even though they said that whatever is relaxed for the big C, we still need to take precaution. We still need to wear a mask in some places, and we still need to, stay away from some crowded areas still, because 1 and 2 cases are there, and the flu is out there. So we have to make sure, say, the same mask wearing they can protect us from those virus, the coughing and the sneezing. You wear it when you're in public, or if you're going to, if you the person sick, still wear it to protect others. Yeah. So that's why I never go to work. I stayed away because I didn't want to get anybody else sick. Look like she sweat the white way. Neshana, behave yourself. We need to call Jackie over here to get some order in the court. Let me see if we find some other people. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Maybe she don't sweat hard enough. Maybe she don't sweat hard enough. Neshana. She needs to sweat harder. But speedy recovery. Do some more exercise. You have to tell me the correct way to sweat it out. Yeah, man, she sound like she have the remedy. Come on, Haitian, tell her all the exercise positions that she's to try so that she can get rid of the flu. Yes. Oh boy, funny. So, as I was saying, guys, if you're just coming in, vacation in where you work and live, it helps. It's good. It's a good relaxing experience. You just sometimes you just need to just drive around, just get up, drive around, and just look look around. Just stop at the beach, take in some fresh air. Stop at the river, get some fresh air. Just rub your foot in the sand. Just sometimes you just need that, just a little of that to keep us. Yeah, Shauna, you learn from the best, so you know exactly how. Talk truth. All this morning Panda Live there. Jesus, how did I go on over there? Me laugh till me couldn't laugh no more. How did I go on over here live this morning, though? Me say, mm-mm. The shop I get from bad to worse. In a good way. Me say me laugh this morning till me crack up. Me say, no, sir. Auntie. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. But yes, please Google the benefits of moringa. Moringa. I boil and use moringa, garlic, lemon, and honey. That me hear, moringa is a good remedy. Yes, I hear about it all the time. It's very good. So, benefits. Use moringa, garlic, and lemon, and honey. Alright. All I need right here, is the moringa. I have sour orange that can use as a lemon, and I have honey. I have garlic. So many if you get some moringa. Still, even if you don't have the flu, guys, you can drink these things to build your immune system. Yeah. Sometimes instead of the milky tea, milky beverage, you just do the old fashioned way and get some old fashioned remedy for those things. Hi Silver Fox, welcome in. I was wondering, oh, I didn't see you. My immune system is extremely strong. I don't generally catch flu. I'm so thankful. Oh, God is good. God is good. That's why I'm saying I don't normally do, and when I do this time when I catch it, it wasn't that bad. Cause me always like have sinusitis issue, not really flu, you know. So yes, welcome in Silver Fox. We are here discussing going on a mini vacation where you live and work and enjoy your area, your surrounding, your parish, your island. About 3 years, I never have the flu. So it get me good this time. Oh, hush there. Yeah, so that's what we're talking about now. Vacation where we live and work. Enjoy our beautiful island, Jamaica. Jamaica is so beautiful, in spite of some of the things that happening around us, which are the minor stuff. We are focusing on those things, and we're not focusing on the main thing, which is our island, how beautiful it is, how nice the people are. Because we have some real nice people out there, you know. We have nice, friendly, warm people. You just need to go out to meet them. Yeah, and if we just in our own corner every day talk about crime this, crime that, yes, crime is there, but we're not going to enjoy our life if we just focus on and say crime is there. We have to focus on what is it there that we can enjoy and have a good life for us and our family. Yes, you're welcome. Karen is sharing our knowledge with each other to empower our community. Great. And we learn here. Anything we have over here, we learn and we share. Try and build your immune system. I've never really stopped in St. Thomas before. Really? Yeah, man. Come on, St. Thomas. Nishana, tell her St. Thomas nice, except for the roads. But we get in road, guys. The roads are improving. There are some new areas that I can just drive like that. Whew. So it's getting there little by little, and it's a massive road improvement they're doing, you know, because them all making bypass where you cut out parts of Bull Bay and you drive up in the hills. I didn't even realize that until the other day when I was going over. I said there's a big bypass going on, construction going on in Bull Bay. So you're going to bypass as you enter from your finished Harbour View, come out a little into Bull Bay, and then there's the bypass. You don't go all the way in Bull Bay anymore. When the road is finished, you're not going to go all the way in Bull Bay. You're going to go in the hills. There's a bypass that you go in the hills, and then you cut back into Yalas. And that is why we are going to take like maybe an hour less. No, an hour me used to take over before the construction. That means we're going to take like 30 minutes for each Mark Day, you know. Okay, Silver Fox. Good afternoon, Winsome. Welcome in. Jackie, you reach. We did want a long time to sort out a business we have here. So, good afternoon, Winsome. Welcome in. Welcome in. I'm happy to have you guys on. Jackie, you have some matter to deal with that we were calling you about. Yes, so Nisha, I've been to the 14 parishes. I think I have been, but I can't remember because I did so many coups in my early life, in the early stages, but I want to know them now that I'm older. But St. Thomas is good for you to come and visit our beaches, our different areas. Is when as me say, when the highway finish, half an hour from Kingston and you're in St. Thomas. Yes, man. Ah, yes, Winsome. Happy to have you. Half an hour, and when you drop down, you drop right in a mark there. And you say, yeah, yeah. No fuss, no sweat, nothing. And you reach my parish, man. And the attraction and the different things are going up, the different businesses. We have the center coming up, Center of Excellence. It's gonna be the first, I think it's the first one that the government is gonna build, where it's where Goodyear factory was. I think I did a video of that. I see where there's zinc up and like they maybe I go start some work. Center of Excellence is where you can get all the important offices under one roof. So what they're going to do at Goodyear, they're going to build up that center, and they're going to put like the post office, the courts house, the water commission, the JPS, KFC, the Burger King, all the government business is gonna be under one roof there. So the road, yeah, man, the road I fix, man. The road, yeah, Mister, the road I fix it. Every time I go over, I get a new piece of road for drive on. Every time I go to St. Thomas, I get a new piece of road for drive on. But it's a massive construction. Every part of the road dig up, everything dig up, everywhere. So it's like, remember, say it's only single lane we had there, so everywhere dig up and extend to get the double dual carriage so that we can have less traffic. The other day I was going over, and there was trucks, and I was on one of the new road, so I would just overtake easily, and that was that. Normally truck wally up in a like a narrow road them. We now have narrow road again. Narrow road, and not that anymore. Narrow road going to be a thing of the past. St. Thomas going to have wide roads that can give you good driving. Yeah. So it's gonna be so easy getting out of Kingston, easier than Portmore. It's gonna be so nice living into St. Thomas and coming into Kingston if you're a country person. We're finally getting KFC, and I heard that one was supposed to come in Yellows long time. I don't know if it's still coming. So if you're a country girl and you love your country, you love town, and you work at town, and you want to stay one good little country, St. Thomas is a nice good little country. You can get a little piece of land or housing scheme, whatever, and live. Place is nice. We have little or no crime. I believe I can say that. Yes. So yeah, finally getting KFC, and we're gonna get Burger King too, I believe, after the road finish and the Center of Excellence is put up. We have to promote the parish, because Paul Bogle, our parish have so many history. So many history. But because of the lack of exposure, lack of the basic necessities, lack of jobs, and a lot of things that the citizen would like to see in the parish is not available to us. We are behind. We are behind. I'm not lying. We are behind. And that's why most of us leave the parish and go outside to look work. And the few places that were there were closing down. Because I remember when I was growing up, I said, oh, I want to work at Goodyear. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that's so like a nice place to work. Oh, by the time I'm ready for work, Goodyear is no, it's the message itself for review. What message? What message is that, Shauna? Can you see it? Let's see if I view it. So why you want to hold this message? It's a good message from Winsome. Yes, like up the live, guys. Yes, thumbs up. The other day when I went there, it was bumpy and dust. It still is. It still is in some area. It's still bumpy and dusty, and sometimes you have experience long waiting time because they're still working. It's still workmen on the road, flagmen, tractor. They go this and you have to wait until them go cross the road and come over back. So yeah. Oh yeah, cousin live in Bath. I was supposed to go Bath Fountain too on this trip, but the rain, I wasn't gonna chance it. With these bad roads and the rain, a lot of rain fell, and then the where I want to go is in the bush, and I'm scared of the bush, much less when it's wet. So scared to walk up the hill. So I didn't bother go this trip, but I'm gonna go shortly again. Yeah, Bath is a distance from where we are from. In some age, best sister, hold that. Hope it don't nothing there. I don't know why YouTube holding it. As a common, blessed sister love, I'm blessed to be in your virtual presence where two or three, one or two are gathered concerning positivity and love. God will empower and bless us. Thank you, sister. Of course, pure positivity. We say no negative, just positive vibes. Just here chilling and having a good chat. You know, that's what we do here. Yeah. So yeah, as I'm saying before, Portland, so beautiful. If you're overseas and you want to have a beautiful experience with beaches and stuff like that, Portland is also good for that. There are a lot of beaches. When I pass like 5-6 beaches. I couldn't go in all of them. I see people in all of them. All of them full up. The attraction in Portland is so much. Yeah, with the beaches, you can just go and relax, and it's just driving around, just driving around. Yes, Jackie, thank you. Just driving around Portland is breathtaking. Just to drive around the island. So, and the roads there, they are fixing the roads there. They have beautiful roads than us, and they're still not finished. Cause remember, the highway is coming from Harborview straight into Portland. Harborview, St. Thomas into Port Antonio. So it's they are working on their roads too. And that's a good thing. So if you come in from Kingston, it's one straight road. Drive in on the highway straight into St. Thomas, into Port Antonio. That is gonna be amazing. All them places where me used to afraid for when me used to go Little and I go Portland. No sir. Them build up wall. And think that so me say then the government, no, you couldn't talk about this before. Look how many person go over them place there, much truck go over them, and now then just think of building up a wall to protect the people. Oh man, come on man, you need to do better than that. With our infrastructure, we need to think about our people when we put it in these things. No, say you might not drive on it, but you have people who live at those places and who traverse from on a daily basis on those roads. So they need proper road with proper bridges and stuff so that they can feel safe. In Portland, I've been to some of them. Yeah, man, the beautiful, 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 beautiful. But you see, Frenchman Cove is one of the top of top. Top of top for Frenchman Cove. If you're going in single, it's like almost $2,000 for one person to go in. But if you carry a group, I think maybe it will be better. To better going into a group. But yeah, top of the line. The other beaches, you just give a donation. Most of the other beaches, you just give a donation. Donation could be any amount you have. Them just say, just give them a donation and go bed. That's it. But Frenchmen have different attraction and so you pay for quality, whatever you're going in for. Yeah, they're improving it late now when it could have been done before. Could have been done before. hmm and save a lot of lives that we lost. But yeah, Jamaica is beautiful. We just need to cut out some of the things that we don't really want anymore and just focus on building our island, building it, bring it up to tier if even two. I'll take it out of 3 and bring it up to 2. Eventually some other time we may go into 1. Me say, let me tell about the jerk center. Woo! We got the jerk center, Boston Jerk Center. And boy, belly bottom never have no bottom. When me that eat the Boston pork with the roast bread fruit there and the fried plantain. Jesus. Nice. And coconut water to wash it down, guys. Oh my God. It was awesome. It was really awesome. Yeah, so only if you're a pork lover. But Nishana don't eat pork. Nishana, when you talk about jerk pork and you don't eat jerk pork. Me sure you tell me say you don't eat pork the other day. Me sure. Yeah, man, the pork, me say win some. The pork nice with the roast bread fruit. Me not go back right now. If it goes, I'm gonna eat some more jerk pork. And that me I say, me sure said something about the pork. Oh, she had talk about pork now, and she tell me the other day say she don't eat pork. And she not true. True, man. Let me stop here, man. No more pork argument. No more jerk pork argument. Me stop. Because it make me hungry too. And guys, when I say, well, I could have care about more food than that, Some of them buy, some of the stuff is buy, and some of them I get it from my house. Jackie, but I'm not 70. Okay. Yeah, you have some people who are not 70 and they not eat pork. So, country nice, man. And when you got country, everybody I go give you one little something, if you care about. See 2 mango there, you want 1 breadfruit, you have 2 banana, you can get, you want 2 coconut, you can get 2 coconut. Them parish there, at the parish I want to go. And I want to touch down, I think the parish with the watermelon and the rest of something there. Yeah, it is. We have a beautiful island. Mm-hmm. Very breathtaking. It's beautiful. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Cause if me I drive just right, one parish and me see some, and it looks so pretty. Suppose me they go up there as a drone and look down in the whole island. Mm, man. Yeah. Yes, jerk pork. Boston. Boston Jerk Center. It's now called Bite Out. Bite Outs or Out Bites. Something, something, something. Have a different name. Mm-hmm. How we do it. Saint Elizabeth always giving away fruits and food. Yeah, man. I saw it for go. Christine, where are you from? Um. All right. Nishana is from Saint Anne. Jackie is from Saint Elizabeth. Nishana is from Saint Elizabeth. Uh, Silver Fox is from Saint Catherine. Um, Auntie's live. Okay, so we gotta end this live soon and go over. Chris, Winsome H. Not so sure which part she's from. Um, Let me hear what Christine is saying. Um, yeah, it's so refreshing and thing when you're coming back to Kingston, if you live at Kingston or whichever parish, and when you reach home you just take out your things and what you collected on the way. So, oh, these are what I got. These are my food stuff. St. Catherine. Oh, so we have two St. Catherine person on the live. I'm not so sure where in St. Catherine he's from, but yes. I think, oh yeah, Old Harbour. Old Harbour way. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and you just take out the stuff and then you come and you give one, who you forgive one and a banana, who you forgive one breadfruit, and then the rest now you just freeze or whatever and use them little as you go by. They go by fresh food. Those are called fresh food, not like the stale up one there when I buy in a supermarket. I buy one green plastic today, tomorrow it's ripe. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so let's all go over now onto our regular shop because shop is open, so we need to go to the shop. So thank you guys for coming on. I appreciate it. This little mini talk. I must do this regularly. What you think, guys? What you think about this chats? Am I to come on regularly? Okay. Like you normally go buy a fish at Old Harbor. Yeah, Old Harbor have good nice fish too. St. Thomas too, but sometimes we not get no fish. The Garden Parish. Yes. The Garden Parish of St. Anne. Yeah. Yes, and you must come on regularly. Alright, I'm going to try and do that. You see like how me just relax and come on now. Normally me I say me have to fix hair, fix makeup, fix up face, this, that, and then me not end up come on after a while. But me I got start um come on regularly. Me did say that the last time and then end up did stop, but need to do it regularly for sure. So guys, thank you all for coming. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate everyone. Bye, Silver Fox. Take care now as we go over to the regular shop because the shop is now open and we must be present. Seems like we are rain in Kingston. But yes, guys, thank you. And we will see you on our next live. Bye. Which message it always at all. Right, don't forget to like up the video, guys, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and remember to keep touch the notification so that whenever I go live you will get that you will be notified. All right, thank you so much, and God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye.